Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back after a long time on a style of my own hair. For this headband style section of the crown hair, I'm just using my fingers, taking a good portion of hair, and I'm doing a low ponytail with this part of the hair that I just want to be out of my way because I just want the front hair to be braided. I'm adding in some hair oil. This gives me a smoother result and is easier to braid for me. Take a part from the top right to the parting that you can do wherever you like it. Split it into 3 and start to bring the back strand under the middle strand, and then the front strand under the middle, the back strand under the middle, and add in some hair. We're doing a Dutch braid. Take the front under the middle and add in some hair. Again, the one from the back under the middle, add in some hair and pull tight in between. Front under the middle and adding in some hair. Like this, you go more or less until above your ear. Keep on braiding, smooth out the strands from time to time, and always hold your braid in the direction that you want it to go. I like to leave those smaller and shorter hairs over my ear out. I think it looks nicer and I don't want them to pull on my scalp. If you have shorter hairs in between, just use some gel. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe and click the little bell so that you get notified. Before we pancake, I apply some hairspray that makes the hair stick together. You can also use some powder. Pull gently the outer edges and make your braid wider. Then we go to the other side and we do exactly the same thing. So split into 3 strands and start to do a Dutch braid by bringing one strand under the other. And after you did the first stitch, you start to incorporate some new hair. There is no need to braid the hair until the very end, because later the braid will be partly covered by the hair that we sectioned off at the very beginning. It's such a long time ago that I've been doing a style on myself that I just noticed that when I did the last one I still had my dyed hair, and now you see it all natural until the very end. Leave me a comment down below. Would you wear your hair like this, or are you still dyeing? When it's long enough to be covered under the crown hair, you can tie it off with a little clear elastic. And then I'm clipping away the deep ponytail, and I'm joining these 2 braids under the crown hair. Pull tight, and then you release the clip and the hair tie, and you see that you don't see that the hair joint behind in your neck. And this is the final result, headband style with a side parting. Hope you like it. See you back soon. Bye bye, have a good day.